What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're going to be doing a little bit of a project. We're going to try to start to finish up the 1000 XP, the 17 1000 XP. Tonight I don't have the flywheel puller for the starter drive, the starter one way. So I'm not going to tackle that tonight. I may pull the bed off and possibly pull the muffler off so I can get a nice easy shot up in there to get to that. I might do that in this video. But tonight, my primary goal is I've got to finish wiring up stuff in the roof. I have 2 more lights to put in the 2 outer holes for the roof markers. I also neglected to see that there is no seal in between the roof and the body, or the roll cage. So when I took this for its initial test drive the other day, all it just blew air right up the front, right in the cab, and right down your back. So we're not going to have that. I'm going to go ahead and take a couple pieces of my foam over there, run it across, and seal it up good. Other than that, it seemed to seal up all right. These doors don't seal up the best, but for what they cost, they're doing plenty. I'm going to see if they want this replaced, and I'll go ahead and replace it if they do. Then we're about to clean up all the sticky, but definitely doable. This side, not ripped, but could use a little more adhesive, holding it down in a couple spots. But yeah, I'll probably go ahead and set you guys on a time lapse. Go ahead and pull this roof off and reseal that. And while it's out, I may actually build me a little harness for the clearance lights on the roof. So yeah, we will cut you guys on to the time lapse now. right, there's what they look like installed. I'll go ahead and hit the ignition switch. And that's what they look like on. Look pretty good, I think. I'm happy with them. So, yeah, I don't think I'm going to end this video. Well, yeah, I'll end this video. That's pretty much finishing the wiring up. I was going to add a dome light and a third brake light. I don't have them, so I probably won't do that yet. I might do it a little later down the road. Might go ahead and zip tie some of this wiring up there a bit. I'm not going to take the box off tonight. I'm tired, so I'm probably going to head home, actually. I'll cut you guys back on later in the next video when we do the one-way on the starter. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully we can get to this 92 GMC LS swap shortly. I got a couple things I want to do in between there, possibly. I got another smaller project that I think you guys will really like, especially if you guys are longtime subscribers. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, we'll catch you in the next one.